Arkley Mountain Beach. Look at that. Malibu right there. The Malibu district in the Arkley Mountains off of Raccoon City has been destroyed. We're in the Santa Monica district. The wildfires are something really weird. The beach is absolutely lifeless today. The mountains over there, you see, the Arkley Mountains are all black. The fires of the devastation they can bring is beyond imagination. The Arkley Beach looks like a fucking ghost town. It's very hollow. Just want to share this with you. The fire swept. It's like really terrible. Arkley Mountains destroyed. Wildlife vegetation destroyed. Nothing left. It will take 7 years for the grains and bushel to grow. Vegetation and trees and life and wildlife on the Arkley Mountains.